Good morning, Junior 6. Our lesson today is the pie chart. What is the pie chart? Pie chart is a way for representing data. Instead of reading a text or anything, we can draw our information in a circle and it will be much easier for me to read it. For example, if I asked your class about their favorite subject, half the class choose that math is their favorite subject. So half the circle will be for the math, and half the class is of course 50% of the class. Quarter of the class choose science, so the science is quarter the circle, which is 25%. The rest of the class loved English more, so the rest will be the other quarter, which is 25%. Of course, the total percentage of all the pie chart must be 100%. Now let's look to this example. The opposite figure shows the percentage of the sales of different types of books. Here is a drawing for five types of books. Each we have only 4 of their percentage. What do you think the signs is? The total must be 100 as we said. So if I want to know the signs, I will make 100 minus the percentage of the rest. So I will make 100 minus 20 plus 10 plus 25 plus 15. You will find that the signs is 30%. Now let's solve the questions. The sales percentage of science book is 30%. The least sales percentage is in, which is the smallest percentage here? It's the social studies. It's only 10%. So the least sales percentage is in, so I have to write the subject, not the percentage, is in the social studies. Then the ascending order of books types according to the percentage of sales. Ascending means I will start from the smallest. The smallest here was the social studies, then comes the English, then the French, math, and the last one is the science because it's the biggest percentage. Okay, let's do the next example. The opposite figure shows the percentage of family spent in different purposes. Study the figure. Here is the figure. House rent is 25%, food spent 37%, saving is 20%, and clothing is 18%. Now he's asking me about the ratio of clothing to house rent. Clothing is 20%. To house rent, which is 25%. Of course, I can't leave the ratio like that. I have to put it in the simplest form. So it will be 4 to 5. What is the ratio of the clothing to food? Clothing is 18 and the food is 37%. And this is the simplest form. What is the ratio of clothing to saving? Clothing is 18% and saving is 20%. Is this the simplest form? No, I can simplify it by 2, or you can do it on your calculators. It will be 9 to 10. Find the measure of the central angle of clothing in decrease. What is the meaning of central angle? Central angle means the angle which is beside the center. Here is the center. And he is asking about the clothing. The clothing here, this is the angle of the clothing. He wants me to know what is the decrease of this angle. As we said that the total percentage of this pie chart is 100%. Okay, طيب what is the total degrees of any circle? The total degrees of any circle is 360 degrees. So if I want to know this part, it will be 18% from the 360, sorry, this is degrees, from the 360 degrees. So I will make 18% of the 360 degrees. Or I can make it 18 over 100 times 360. Just put this on the calculator and you will find the answer is